Allison, this weekend, Massachusetts reported more than 10,000 cases. And to put that in perspective, that's more than the entire month of August. And here in Worcester, where we are, 1 in 5 people are testing positive for the coronavirus. So with these numbers trending in the wrong direction, the state decided it was critical and imperative to open up the DCU Center behind me into a field hospital. And this is the second time that they've had to do that this year. And obviously, they're treating COVID patients inside right now. They're treating about 7 patients, but really they have the capacity to treat up to 220 patients, and they hope they don't have to get to that point. And this weekend, we got an inside look at this facility, and obviously they learned a lot since the spring. They were able to stock up on the PPE. They have the ventilators. They also have treatments to treat the sick. And so they have learned a lot about the virus, and they thought that it was critical to also address the emotional aspect of these patients. They are trying to fight isolation as well as loneliness. So they have this incredible feature where they can watch TV and also interact with other COVID-19 patients. Now, they are prepared inside. However, they're still being challenged with staffing. Take a listen.
The biggest shortage we're having now is not PPE or ventilators or even ICU space, but it's healthy medical staff. We're losing about 14 people a day in the medical staff here, going down to COVID. And the ones that are left are fatigued, and mentally they're quite exhausted and feeling kind of down.
And Allison, staffing is also being challenged because they're not able to call on out-of-state nurses and doctors like they did in the spring when we had the surge here in the Northeast. We saw healthcare workers flying in from all across the country, but right now with cases surging throughout the nation, they are needed in their respective states. So they don't have those resources, and they are putting out a call for people to step up here in the community. But once again, they are prepared here at the DCU Center to take in more patients if needed, and they're really bracing for this post-Thanksgiving surge.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.